Here it is, guys. My AC Dome is here. See? That's your lane departure warning system. I got it all installed. It's all set. I'm gonna drive around just a little bit. Stay on the speed limit. And it's still recording too. If you want to get out of there, right here. Look how clear it is. See how clear that is? Ooh, super clear. I got it in 1296p versus 1080p. You see the difference? That's your lane departure warning system. See the difference? Like the car coming behind me right now. Screen is off, it's still recording. I cut the volume up high. You can cut it low if you want to, or you can mute it. I just got that on my dash cam. That truck had the right of way. That was my fault, guys. That was my fault. It's got a super night vision. See the difference? Look at this idiot driving drunk. I definitely got that on my dash cam. He just swerved over. Let's go get him. Let's get his license plate. We're doing the road rage. Nah, I'm just kidding, man. I'm just kidding. I got it set up for a minute. It protects the screen so I don't want to leave the screen on all day. That's what the guy was talking about in the video, guys, on YouTube. He was right. AZ Dome is the best. I was going to get the Autovox M8, but the Autovox M8 is nice, but it's 12-inch mirror. It's 12-inch, but it records for 3 minutes. The AC Dome, it records for 5 minutes. They got an AC Dome 12-inch mirror too. It's $89. But I chose the AC Dome. AC Dome is the best. Yeah, they both good. AC Dome and Autovox M8, they both good. But the Autovox M8, it just records for 3 minutes. It don't have 5 minutes. The AC Dome, it records for 5 minutes. It's pretty cool. When the 5 minutes is up, right now, see, it saves it in the file, it saves it in the memory card, it records to the next one. It's called loop recording. It loops it over and over again. It's pretty cool. That's your lane departure warning system. You hear a beep, that's your lane departure warning system. See? Autovox M8 has it too. See? This is nice, dude. That's some lights. We gotta stop right there. And that's it, guys. I hope you like it. I bet everybody got one. So please subscribe YouTube and hit the like button. Y'all have a good night.